Hello guys, welcome back to our UiPath Bot Central channel. Currently we are learning about with the help of API how we can create the dynamic test set in Orchestrator, right? Okay, let's get deep dive into our topic. So we can see these guys. In our previous session, almost 100% we covered this parameter configuration, right? This is a complete JSON body to create the test set, which is this information we get it from the orchestrator, then Swagger API, right? Then same thing you can see for the response link as well. With the help of both these things only, we are going to fetch the details, then create the response in orchestrator. Okay. Okay. I will open the Postman application. Postman application is a very best tool to demonstrate the API. If you are going to learn the API basic things, it will be the very suitable tools for the landing purpose, then user interface, everything will be great actually. Okay, so here actually what we are going to do, we are going to pass all those parameters here, then we are going to create the test set. Okay, just we are going to play with Postman application. Okay, yeah, I will open this document. Just I will copy the link, this API request for to create the test set. Okay, so which action we need to choose, get or post. The thing is we are going to send the response to the particular this backend link, then we are going to create the actions, we are going to insert something to the backend of the application, right? So in this case we should use the post. In case if you are going to fetch the details, or you are going to pass some parameters, you are going to fetch some basic info or backend parameter. In this case we can use get. Okay, yeah, this is done. Then go to the body. Okay, then choose the raw means we have the JSON body in the raw format, right? I'm going to copy that. There is no changes, just copy and paste it here. Okay, we done guys. Okay, one link, then JSON body has been passed. Okay, so here I'll give one small recap where we'll get this. Go to the Swagger, under the tenants slash swagger slash index.html, then close. I will minimize that. So to create the test set, where it is, you can see test set, expand that, create the test set, right? Try it out, then execute. Okay, so this is the parameters JSON body already we have been configured in our Word file. Then this is the API request link, request URL. Okay, these two things we are using under the Postman application. Got it? 1 and 2. Okay, so now I'm going to send the response. We'll see what happens. You can see you are not authenticated, right? So we are using the third-party application. We are giving one particular command to the our UiPath tenant. Okay, so it's showing we are not authenticated, which means we log in with my ID, right? I log in with my ID. Okay, so I should create some access token. Then only that part third party application able to integrate. If you check out my previous video, you can easily find out. I have given 3 videos for that to create the authorization parameters. We can find it. First approach, I will tell you first and second. I'm going with the preference mode, privacy and security. So here you can see wave API access. So here we have user key and then client ID. With the both combination, we can generate the user token like here, where it is. Yeah, here. This is the URL. This is the parameter. We can see client ID and then user key. I paste it here. If you hit the send with the post action, you will get an one key access token, right? This access token we can use. Then second thing, this is the one license to interact with our UiPath orchestrator. Then one more, you can see personal access token. We can create the generate token. You can check out my previous video. So already I created the token. Regenerate. If I click here, confirm, you can see token gets generated, right? I'm going to just copy that. Then paste it over here. Which means first I will tell you how it will look like. This is the token from the orchestrator. This is the token with the combination of user ID then client ID we created. These both tokens we can use to interact with the application. Approach 1, approach 2. Okay. So now we are going to use this token. Go to the post, go to the authorization. This is token, right? Access token. So we need to select bearer token. Okay. Existing one is that. I'm going to give new one. Control V. Okay. Now I'm going to hit the response. Okay, you can see an organization unit ID required for this action. Yeah, if you checked my previous video, now we are going to create the test set, right? The test set where we are going to create which organization, which means which folder we are going to create. That information we should give. Then only bot can able to identify that, then create the test set. Okay, so this is one organization, this is one organization. So if I'm going to give this one, I need to give this organization ID. Okay, already I have it. To fetch this organization ID, the approach I already explained. Okay, you can check. We'll go there. This is the old one. Then header section. Just I will copy. Under the Postman, come to the header section. So here I will pass the, okay, which means these parameters should recur to create the test set. So that's why it's specifically asking an organization unit ID is required for this action. We can check here also. You can see in Swagger also it specifically mentioned this parameter. XUA path organization unit ID unity key. Okay, be given here. Okay, then what is the ID? Just I will copy that. Then place. Okay, so now you can see, guys, we need to create the test set. First one, we need to select the action. Then we need to pass the request URL. Then body. Body means which will contain names, descriptions, package name, test case name, details, release version, everything. Okay. And then address, organization, unit ID, which folder we are going to create. Then access authorization. So this is you can call license. Okay. Now I'm going to hit the response. Yeah, you can see 200. 201. 200 means we fetch the details from the source. Okay. 201 means it has been created some data with the help of API to the application. Okay. Now you can see, I will show that. I will go to the orchestrator, test set, and then testing. It's loading actually. It refresh. You can see demo set as test set has been created. One test case has been mapped, created 39 seconds before. Edit, I will go edit that. You can see demo set, test set, descriptions, then which bot automatically get chosen, enable the coverage, then choosing the package, right? Then selecting the particular test case from the list. Okay, the same information we already feed it where it is. Yeah, go to the body. Just I will copy that. Okay, I'll go there, scroll down. Just I will face for your reference purpose. You can see these guys. Demo set, ACME login, version, then row ID, everything got created, right? I will show one more demo. Okay, like here I will change the name. Okay, instead of demo set I will give UiPath bot central demo. Okay, then here, right, then UiPath dem, then package will be the common, version is the same, remaining information will be same. Okay, now we can see these guys. So now we passed only one test case, right? Only one test case, right? I will show that. So here only one test case mapped. I will edit that. You can see that in this package we have 5 test cases. Out of these, based on our input parameter, only one test case has been mapped. Pretty clear. Okay, then you can see I will go here. I will do one more change. I'll just copy. You can see this is list test case. Okay, under the test case this is a list. You feed whenever you're going to see this square bracket, it's called list. Okay, then this is dictionary, like a key value pair. I will add one more combination here. You can see I added, which means under the same test case I added one test case, then second test case. Now we are going to create the 2 test cases under the single test. Okay, but you can see definition ID. The thing is, whatever the test cases we are going to select, already I mentioned in the backend API, it will going to identify based on the unique ID, right? So already I given for 8359. This is for 004. Then this for which test case we will give. Already I fetched those. You can see all the respective test cases, I already fetched the definition ID. Okay, definition ID. This all the things comes from the Swagger. I will go here. I will show that. Check. Check for test case definition. Right here you can see. I will expand that. Try it out. Then execute. Now you can see all the data, whatever the package is available, all the data has been fetched. You can see ACME test case 4, test case 005. You can see this is the definition ID 83569, then 83570. This information only to get more understanding. I passed it here. Okay, so already 69 is mapped, which means 004. So now I want to map 001 test case, which means 83571. I will go there. Just I will change this definition ID. Right. The remaining thing, the release ID version number is a common. This release ID version number, it's from the package, which means main package. This package, test automation package, under the test automation package only, these test cases are available. Okay. Now we modify the name, description, then we added one more test case. Okay. We'll see now how it works. I will go there. I will remove the old one. Control paste. Okay, I hope it will work. I will hit the send. Oh, great. You can see 201 created, right? So can see these test sets. Just refresh. Yeah, you can see UiPath bot central demo, the name, then UiPath demo, then two test cases has been mapped. I did that. The test automation project, everything gets selected. Accounts, then name, description. By default, complete backend with help of post approach. We done with help of Postman application. Okay, you can see ACME 004, ACME 001 get selected. If you want, I will show the live one. You can see I will delete this one, then I will delete this one as well. Okay, can I add? Do you want one more? Can we try that? Okay, we will try for 7.3 as well. 3 test case. Okay, here itself we'll try to copy and paste. Just same, we are going to copy that. Just put the comma after each dictionary, comma, space, control V. Yeah, so you can see these guys. So it gets pasted, right? Then here I'm going to add which one? 7.3, right? We'll go there. We'll just add the 7.3, which means 835. Okay, it's done. Okay, make sure there is no test sets available now, right? Nothing. So I'm going to go with the Postman, hit on the send response. See, great guys, we did. Now you can see 201 created. We'll see, just refresh. Yeah, you can see UiPath bot central. 3 test case has been mapped. So now you can see. So if we are going to, if we have like more than 50 test set. Okay, so in this time, we can like every time we can't able to open this edit option, then every time we can't able to only for example, in this test set 5 only there. In my future, in the real time, you will have more than 50 or 60 or 80 test case. So every time you can't able to edit, right? So if you are going to run only out of 50 test case, now you are going to run only 10 or 50. Okay, in this case what you will do, again you have to go here, edit that, edit the test set. Next, then here you have to manually choose and select. If it is here, you can see very smaller amount. In my feature, in the real time works, if the count is very higher. Okay, so if you have multiple test sets. Okay, so each and every time we can't able to do that now, so it will be, we can do that, but it will be time consuming activity. So that is the reason we found this solution to make more efficiency in our test automation, right? Okay, yes guys, we done with our content. Okay, until unless you can go through this entire video. If you have any questions, you can send me an mail, then you can ping me in the comment as well. Okay, so signing off, we will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.